Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. Urban community is as old as a human history. The changes in this structure and functions of the production from time to time, they transform the nature of urban community. The urban centers have enlarged in large proportions since the time of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization. Hence, the urban places have the unique place in a human history. They have played a prominent places in in shaping not only the human civilization but also the lifestyle of a human beings. The industrial revolution has changed the nature of urban communities. The revolution in the technology always influenced the industrial revolution. The process of industrialization has played an important role in urbanization. During industrialization, the people from rural community, they have migrated to the urban centers in large number. The small towns later became a huge cities. The excessive production in the agriculture lead to the growth of non-agricultural activities. To extensive production lead to the expansion construction activities like building huge buildings. It has also led to the establishment of a huge industries and commerce and trade also. This process clearly marked the difference between rural and urban communities. The urban places are called as a modern settlement of human beings. Through the urban life, it is considered as a most developed human living. It is equally complex. Administrative perspectives, if the government accorded a particular place and status of the city, it became an urban center, usually a place that has the population of more than 5,000, a density of 1,000 people per square kilometers, where the more than 75% of the population is engaged in non-agricultural activities productions. Thus it is called as a urban center or urban society. From the demographic view, a place that has the more population and population density, it is called as a urban center. The process of urbanization happens from the time to time in a human society. Now the number of urban resident is increases due to the various reasons. Urbanization in the process wherein a society became increasingly urban in its structures. This process of urbanization has turned with increases in the industrialization. Hence, the process of urbanization is visible in almost all the countries of the world. Now, let us move on. Characteristics of urban community or urban society. For first characteristics is large in size. Our second characteristics is cultural diversity. Third characteristics is non-agricultural job. Fourth one is non-importance of the primary relationship. Fifth one is formal social control. Now let us see one by one. Large in size. Urban community is large in size and it is more populous. For example, according to 2011 census, there are 4,381 people residing per 1 square kilometers in our Bengaluru. Second characteristics of urban community is cultural diversity. We can see a huge cultural diversity in a cities because the people from different regions of the various language reside at same place. Hence, their life is operate at a different culture, religious and social level. Our third characteristics is non-agricultural job. More number of the peoples are engaged in non-agricultural occupation. They are engaged in industrial work, commerce and trade, profession and administrative services, etc. We see these peoples are involved in this kind of jobs. Our fourth characteristics is non-importance of a primary relationship. A formal relationship are more in urban communities. No one cares for others. They restrict their attention to themselves and their families. Our fifth characteristics of urban community is formal social control. The urban center have various institutions like police, judiciary and other civic services needed to ensure the social security and protection of the basic civic rights of the citizen. In the cities or in urban area, we see that all facilities are available there. Urban community is tremendously growing in our Karnataka. Those are all about urban community. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching this.